Imagine a battle of epic proportions, a cosmic showdown. On one side, the black hole, a monster of gravity so powerful that nothing, not even light, can escape. It devours everything, gives nothing back, and is the universe's ultimate predator. On the other, the white hole, a theoretical fountain of energy and matter, spewing everything out, letting nothing in. The black hole is the end of the line, the white hole, a violent beginning. One is a relentless taker, the other, a cosmic giver. What happens if these two opposites meet? The point of no escape versus the point of no entry. This isn't just a story about strange objects, it's about the rules that govern our universe. Are they enemies, or two sides of the same cosmic coin? To find out, we must journey into the heart of each contender. First, the darkness, the black hole. Then, the theoretical light, the white hole. Their duel is more than a hypothetical fight, it's a puzzle at the edge of physics. Could they be connected in ways we don't yet understand? Let's explore the nature of these cosmic extremes, the ultimate taker versus the ultimate giver. Let the duel begin. What exactly is a black hole? It's the ghost of a massive star collapsed into a tiny, dense point called a singularity. Its gravity is so intense it warps space-time, creating a well from which nothing escapes. The event horizon marks the point of no return. Cross it, and you're lost forever. Black holes are invisible, but we see their fingerprints. Stars orbiting empty space, matter glowing as it spirals in. They're not cosmic vacuum cleaners, they follow the same gravity as everything else. If our sun became a black hole of the same mass, Earth would keep orbiting as usual. Only objects crossing the event horizon are trapped. Once inside, there's no escape. Matter and information are locked away. Black holes are the universe's ultimate prisons. They challenge our understanding of physics, hiding secrets at their core. We can't see them directly, but their effects are undeniable. They're scattered across the cosmos, lurking in the darkness. The more they consume, the stronger they become. At their heart lies a mystery. What happens to everything they swallow? Black holes are cosmic endpoints, where the known laws of physics break down. But what about their opposite? Enter the white hole. Now the other side, the white hole. If a black hole is a one-way entrance, a white hole is a one-way exit. Matter and energy erupt out, nothing can enter. White holes exist only in theory, predicted by Einstein's equations but never observed. They're unstable. Any matter approaching would cause them to collapse into black holes. Think of them as a movie in reverse. Black holes collapse, white holes explode outward. This time reversal symmetry fascinates physicists. White holes challenge us to imagine the universe as a place of beginnings, not just endings. Some speculate the Big Bang itself was a kind of white hole, a singular eruption of everything. But without evidence, white holes remain mathematical ghosts. They balance the cosmic taker with the cosmic giver. For now, they're a beautiful idea, pushing the limits of what's possible. Could they exist? Or are they just a theoretical dream? The mystery deepens as we imagine their meeting. So what if a black hole and a white hole met? The black hole pulls everything in, the white hole pushes everything out. As the black hole approaches, it would feast on the matter spewing from the white hole, growing more massive. Their event horizons might never touch. The black hole takes, the white hole gives, but from a distance. If they got close, the black hole's gravity could destabilize the white hole, collapsing it into another black hole. The battle could end instantly, with two black holes merging into one. Or, in a wild scenario, they could annihilate each other. A cosmic cancellation, vanishing in a burst of energy. These ideas are speculative, far beyond what we can test. But the thought of two extremes meeting is irresistible. Would they destroy each other, or merge into something new? The answer remains hidden in the math, and in the universe itself. But there's another possibility. Maybe they're not enemies at all. What if black holes and white holes are connected? Two ends of a cosmic tunnel, known as a wormhole. In this idea, a black hole isn't a dead end, but an entrance. The white hole, the exit. Matter falls into a black hole, travels through a tunnel in space-time, and emerges from a white hole elsewhere. The taker and the giver are a single connected pair, a cosmic recycling program. This would make the universe far stranger and more interconnected than we imagine. But there's a catch: wormholes are likely unstable, collapsing before anything can pass through. They exist in the math, but maybe not in reality. Still, the idea persists. Maybe information isn't lost, just rerouted. The universe could be full of loops and tunnels, not just beginnings and endings. Black holes and white holes might be partners, not rivals. Their dance could shape the cosmos in ways we're only starting to imagine. The future of physics may reveal their true connection. Until then, the cosmic duel remains one of the universe's greatest mysteries.